vacation. In this video, we are going to draw Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is going on vacation with one of her friends. Can you guess where they are going? They are going to the seaside. He is Hello Kitty's friend. Wow, a very cool place with beautiful trees. They must be having a lot of fun. So, let's go to coloring. Hello Kitty's favorite color is pink, just like her bow tie. What a cute hat Kitty's friend is wearing. And a stylish dress. Hello Kitty loves to go on fun adventures with her friends. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.